Hello and welcome to another lecture number 30 from the series Learn Adobe Illustrator and Learn Graphic Design. The last lecture was about these few options in the object menu, and we reached to the level for patterns. So now in this video I'm going to make some patterns for you, and will tell you how easy it is to make patterns in Adobe Illustrator. I will bring some symbols from here. I'll go to libraries and go to flowers, and I'll bring this flower over here, bring this one over here, and bring one yellow one. So I got three flowers over here. I'll make sure to break the link, and one more thing to just check that I get this square bounding box for this, so I make sure to delete this one. I'll delete this one as well and delete this one as well. So I got three different flowers now. I will rescale these. 1, 2, and 3. I got three flowers. I will select all of these and I will go to object and pattern and make pattern. So as you can see on the screen, I just clicked make pattern. I got this display, so I can just move around these flowers to make more shapes. I can just copy one over here and rescale it to small, and I'll bring this one to here. I'll make this copy as well. I'll make it small and I'll bring it here. We'll bring this one down to make more flow. So this is how we can just make pattern. I will click on the done option, and now this pattern is added to the color swatch. So if I just make any shape over here and apply this pattern, I'll get this. I can rescale the size of this shape or rescale the size of these objects in the pattern. I will go to right click, transform, and scale option. If I increase or decrease the size from here, what I get the size of the complete box. But I want the pattern to get smaller, so I will just uncheck this transform option and I will decrease the size. You can see you get this pattern bigger and smaller. This is how we can make patterns. There is another option, another style for making patterns. So it's like this. If I make one shape over here and give it white color and some boundary or stroke to it, and I select this one, and this is only just one object, and it will make pattern with just one thing. So I just clicked on make, and now what I just got a few boxes over here, and I want this gap to be covered. So what I can do, I can just go to this tile type and use a brick bone, and from half I can just resize this one. So you can make changes to it from the top to the down, and if you want to just cover this one, you can use the hex column, and now you see you get this shape, and you can always increase or decrease the size from here, and you can overlap this. So the best is 300 and 270. You can make changes to other options like the opacity of the other objects, and I just made this pattern. I will click done, and I'll apply this to this big box. So here I got this pattern. I can always make changes to the size, and there are many more options in the pattern. So simply just practice these options in the pattern to get more good results. hex by row, hex by column, and up and down, overlap from left to right, overlap from top to bottom. So these are the copies, and you can set a name for your pattern over here, and or you can save as a copy over here. Thank you very much for watching this pattern video. This was lecture number 30, and I will make sure that you get every reply to your comment, and make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more videos about learning graphic design and other cool features of graphic designs. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.